Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 4th, 2026, and we're diving into Electronic Arts' latest earnings report for the third fiscal quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Electronic Arts, a leader in digital interactive entertainment, known for its popular franchises like Battlefield, EA Sports FC, and Apex Legends.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Electronic Arts reported a net revenue of $1.91 billion for the quarter. However, net income saw a significant drop to $88 million. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
Indeed, while the net revenue showed a slight increase of 1% year over year, the net income decreased by 70% compared to the same quarter last year. This decline in profitability is reflected in the diluted earnings per share, which fell to 35 cents from 1.11. Despite this, the company generated a robust operating cash flow of $1.826 billion, indicating strong cash management.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $4.22 based on a survey of 7 analysts. However, the actual EPS came in at 35 cents. John, can you explain this discrepancy?
The significant gap between the forecasted and actual EPS is quite concerning. It suggests that the market had higher expectations for EA's performance this quarter. The miss could be attributed to increased operating expenses and a decline in net income, which impacted the bottom line more than anticipated.
Operational highlights and strategic initiatives. Despite the earnings miss, EA reported record quarterly net bookings of $3.046 billion, driven by the success of Battlefield 6. Can you elaborate on the operational highlights, John?
Absolutely. Battlefield 6 was a standout performer, becoming the best-selling shooter title of 2025 and setting new franchise engagement records. Additionally, EA Sports FC saw high single-digit growth in net bookings, and Apex Legends continued its momentum with double-digit growth thanks to innovative features and events. These successes highlight EA's strong portfolio and strategic focus on franchise momentum.
Pending acquisition and market implications. EA is also in the process of being acquired by an investor consortium for $55 billion. What does this mean for the company and its shareholders?
This acquisition, led by the public investment fund, Silver Lake, and Affinity Partners, is a significant development. It values EA at an enterprise value of approximately $55 billion. The transaction is expected to close in the first quarter of fiscal 2027, pending regulatory approvals. This could provide a substantial premium to shareholders and potentially reshape EA's strategic direction.